Biofuels were supposed to be the green solution to our energy crisis. For biofuels producers, there was a chance to invest, innovate, and drive Europe's clean energy transition. But today the industry is caught in the middle of a scandal. Fraud, flawed policy, and a constant fight for credibility. Right now, palm oil is being disguised as a waste to cash in on EU incentives. And people are asking, has Europe built a system that actually encourages fraud? Europe rewards waste-based biofuels. Used cooking oil, for example, counts double towards renewable targets and commands a high price. At the same time, virgin oils like palm oil are capped and phased out due to deforestation concerns. The result, a market tilted so heavily towards waste that genuine producers face impossible pressure. If recycled products are worth more than new, someone will always try to cheat the system. For honest operators, this means competing against fraudsters who can undercut them, while still being responsible for proving their own compliance. And with shipping and aviation forced down the same waste-based route, the pressure is only intensifying. Change is beginning. The EU is tightening rules on what qualifies for double counting. New crops like camelina and carinata are being developed. These are crops that don't compete with food production, a way to boost supply without returning to virgin palm oil. Sustainability schemes are stepping up checks in high-risk regions. For producers who play by the rules, this is welcome, but many will ask, will it be enough to level the playing field? Key changes to the EU-approved sustainability schemes for biofuels are being discussed. The proposals? Stronger due diligence, tougher oversight, and a demand that certification bodies have offices inside the EU, where regulators can watch them more closely. A potential game changer. There's also a push to speed up the EU's union database, a system like parcel tracking, logging every litre from source to sale, so producers who are compliant can finally prove it. But there's still a major gap. If a certificate is revoked, all past proofs of sustainability remain valid. It's like recalling a dangerous product but leaving it on shop shelves to be sold anyway. Closing that loophole would protect the market in the long run. But in the short term, it means more responsibility pushed back onto producers to check their supply chains. For smaller operators already struggling, that could be devastating. If oversight fails, producers who follow the rules will be driven out by those who exploit loopholes. But if oversight succeeds, Europe can finally reward genuine waste-based fuels and show the world that sustainability has real value. Is this the right way to tackle waste-based biofuel fraud? Let us know what you think in the comments and subscribe for more videos like this.